Groundhogg provides integrations for all of the major WordPress web form plugins. If you come to our website, go to all features, and then at the bottom of the list is forms. You can see all of the various different form integrations that we provide. Elementor, Divi, Caledra, WPForms, WeForms, Formidable, Forminator, Gravity, Contact Form 7, the list goes on. Now, when you purchase a Pro plan or Plus plan, all of these integrations come included. You can also purchase them separately. Once you've chosen which form that you want to connect with, you have to install the relevant integration. So I will be using the WeForms integration for this example because I have WeForms installed. And then after you go ahead and create a couple different WeForms, I have some contact forms here and this other one that I've made. You can go to your funnels and you can open the funnel that you want to start with that web form, so with that WeForm in this case. So I have the built-in web form here, the Groundhogg web form. I'm going to go ahead and click plus underneath it, and that's going to bring up the benchmarks panel. And then I'm scrolling down and you will find the WeForms benchmark there, or the Gravity forms or the Fluent forms, or the WeForms, the relevant integration of your choice. Go ahead and install it, or in this case, add it to the funnel. It'll show up here. And then from here, what you're going to do is select the form that you want to integrate with. It will show all of your WeForms or all of the forms for the relevant form plugin that you're using. So I'll select this Contact Me form. And then after you've selected the form, you're going to click on Map Fields. It's going to bring up all of the fields of that form, and you are then going to map it to the relevant contact fields in Groundhogg. So map email to email address. We'll add message to the contact notes. Add to notes. And then the submit button is a field, but it doesn't actually carry any value. So we'll go ahead and save that. And then we can save our funnel. And now whenever someone submits this contact form in WeForms, it will add that person to Groundhogg and also start the funnel.